Hello friends, welcome to episode 3 of what you can get from cocoa. In our previous episode, I shared with you how to make cocoa butter. Today we are actually starting from where we stopped in our last episode. Today I'll be sharing with you how to make cocoa powder. If you missed out in the last episode, you can check the video card above. For easy access, I will drop the whole playlist about what you can get from cocoa at the end of this video. Spread out your paper towel neatly, scoop some cocoa paste into it and spread them out properly on it. We are doing this to get rid of the remaining oil after extracting the cocoa butter from the cocoa paste. You have to make sure this is spread out evenly and as thinner as possible. After spreading out the cocoa paste neatly on the paper towel, I'll then wrap the cocoa paste neatly with the paper towel. After wrapping it neatly, I'll be placing it on a tray. Place under direct sunlight. When the oil comes out, with the help of the sunlight, the paper towel will absorb the oil. This is the following day. I'm going to change the paper towel, but in different way. As you can see, our cocoa paste is almost dried, but it is still a little bit soft in some area. So I spread out another paper towel and squeeze out the cocoa paste on it. Spreading the cocoa paste on it neatly, I'll go ahead and wrap the paper towel around the cocoa paste. That is well wrapped, I'll place them on a tray and take to the sunlight once again. Please, if today is your first time of seeing my videos, I want to say thank you for clicking to watch. Kindly click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell for more great videos like this. And this is the following day. I'm going to remove them from the paper towel to see if they are well dried. As you can see from the video, they are well dried. I'll remove them from the paper towel and proceed to the next step. Transfer some to your grinder and blend smoothly. After grinding and it is smooth, I'll transfer into a clean bowl. Then repeat the same process with the remaining one. grinding them and they become very smooth. Then we have our cocoa powder. This is how you can make perfect oil-free cocoa powder from cocoa beans. Can you guess what we are making from cocoa in our next episode? Please let me know your answer in my comment section. Before we go, please don't forget to like and share this video with your loved ones.